What you mean? Why don't it? I sold my PS3 for 160 and bought my PS4. PS4 is awesome. Hell yeah. I love the PS4. I love my PS4, man. I just gotta break my Xbox One in. That's what I'm trying to do. Trying to break it in, get used to the controls. Is that a sniper rifle?
Got it!
Wow, dude. Should I save up and buy a laptop or a PlayStation before? It depends. If you really want the PS4, go for it. If you really want it. I would say if you want to get the PS4 and just wait to get the laptop, you can do that. Or if you just want the laptop, that way you can stream and get an Elgato card, all that good junk, then I would say get the laptop, but it all boils down up to you, man. Why Ninja showing all these emotes? It have to be a 250 gig hard drive and up to get the 150. So what's your hard drive? How many gigabytes is your hard drive? Wow, son. Four gigs, they took like 250. Oh wow, that's fucked up. You got the 4 gig at 360. Damn. You can't really do much with 4 gigs, man. You can't do shit with 4 gigs. You download one fucking game and then that shit. I don't know why they selling 1 gig shit anyway. Like that shit's stupid. They also want you to have the 360 SC version. That's what I like. No stacks, I gotta go. My head hurts like hell. Alright, Radical Ninja, go ahead and get some rest, bro. If your head is hurting like crazy, man, get some rest, yo. And I might be streaming tomorrow, man. I might either I might stream some Destiny or I might stream some more Walking Dead. Y'all just let me know what y'all want me to stream, and I'll stream it, man. I'm gonna do another straw poll, so that way y'all can vote. Y'all can vote on what I stream. Oh, they trying.
My eyes deceive
Wow.
me. Did I really just see the Locust hand you your collective asses?
Alright, I'm out. Gotta wake up for work in the morning. Alright, Ninja. Appreciate you, man, for coming by. Speaking of work, I gotta wake up for work in the morning, too. I'll probably play one more game. And get off of here. Time for another 7-8 hour shift. Hey, man, get that money, bro. Get that money. You can't make no money sitting at home, man. Unless you partner with Twitch. That's the only way you can make money sitting at home. Thanks, Stack. See ya. Alright, Radical Ninja. Appreciate you for coming by, bro. I think I'm gonna go with... I think I'm gonna go with Carmine. The Walking Dead. Y'all wanna see me stream The Walking Dead tomorrow? Alright, I'm gonna put up a straw poll. That way y'all can vote. People voted for this game, and this game had the most votes, so that's why I'm playing it. When I do my straw poll loyalty, I'm gonna tag you in it. That way you can just go click on the link and just vote. Alright, cool. Oh, damn. Damn, Gothic. Yeah, I mean, shit, you better than me, Stacks. You better than me, yo. Cause he probably would have had to fucking wait. Cause that 1 terabyte would have been mine, yo. I'm like, yo, you gotta wait, yo. I can't afford it right now. And then I would have bought the 500 gigs and gave him the 500 gigs. That 1 terabyte, man. You know how much space that is, yo? That's 1,000 gigs, man. 1,000 gigs. 1,000 gigs. Halo Master Chief Collection alone is 64 gigs. Alone, yo. 64 gigs, man. $64 gigs, yo. Damn, Gothic, I'm sorry to hear that, man. You just, it'll take time. It'll take time. You'll definitely get your stuff, your bed and stuff like that. It just take time. You know. You would definitely get it though. I'm just hoping that you do get it. Yeah, it's all the Halos in one through 4. So I can understand why, you know, it take up so much space. I'm about to back out of here because this ain't looking for no match. I'm about to find another lobby. Play one more game. You gonna go buy the 500 gigs? Hey man. Damn right that 1 terabyte burned a big hole in your pocket. That shit $400, man. That shit unless you got discount where you can get it for $350. Shit, why don't you just get another 1 terabyte for $350? You paying for the same price that you would pay for a 500 gig. You can do that, man. That's what I would do. Get a 1 terabyte, pay $350 for that bitch. The same price I'm gonna pay for 500 gig with the Halo Master Chief Collection, man. When you buy the 500 gig one, go pick up your 1 terabyte. It's a fair trade. Yeah, it is. But I don't think I just want a 1 terabyte hard drive. I think I want either a 2 or a 3. I want a lot of space on my shit because I'm a gamer, man. I don't want to have to be deleting games, just to make space. Like how I'm doing with the PS4. I gotta get rid of games just to make space to download a new game. Like I know when Black Ops 3 come out, even when 2K 16 come out, I'm gonna have to delete 2K 15 probably and download that. And then when Black Ops 3 come out, I'm gonna have to delete another game to download that shit. I already know that. The 3 TB is $130 at GameStop. You saving room for Black Ops 3? That's what I'm trying to do. Save some room for Black Ops 3. Okay, what's wrong with this shit? Just not trying to find me a match. Damn, bro. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I guess you'll be paying the retail price, man. What's wrong, man? This shit got me waiting. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the 3 TB, man, at GameStop and just hook it up to my Xbox and I'll be good, yo. I have a 3 TB hard drive plus the space that I have on my system, and then whatever space I want to do, when I want to use, I'll just move it to my hard drive. Oh, Lady Legacy, I appreciate the raid. Thank you for the raid, girl. I appreciate that. Everybody in the chat, can you put hashtag raid hype? Do me that favor, please. Put hashtag raid hype. I'm trying to get this fucking game, man. This shit sitting there telling me please wait, and I want to play. Hey, man, that's what I did. Shit, I got the 500 gigabytes. I'm just gonna get a fucking external hard drive, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day, yo. See, as soon as I get raided, it does this shit. As soon as I get raided, it does this bullshit. I know nobody wants to sit here and watch a please wait screen. I thought more people were with me. This is awkward. Hey, it's all good, Legacy. It's all good. I mean, I appreciate you rating my stream. I really do. I appreciate it. Sometimes it happens that way where, you know, you raid somebody and you think that more people are with you when they, you know, it's really, you know, you might tell them to come, but they don't actually come. I've had that happen to me plenty of times. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I don't know what's going on with the Xbox right now. It's just saying please wait. I'm a